Miles around the world, back with another Las Vegas room tour. This time we're at Mandalay Bay, where I've been wanting to go for a while. I've been in most properties and finally Mandalay Bay, got a comp here. Nice room. When I walked in, they had this aquarium playing on the TV. Thought someone was in there at first. It was nice. Over here, don't touch any of this stuff because they will charge you a lot of money for it. Also the stuff in the fridge. Don't even open the fridge. There's sensors on this stuff and you'll get charged. So it kind of sucks there's no mini fridge for you to put your food or drinks in. There's a nice little desk area over here. I didn't actually get to use that, but maybe if I return to Mandalay Bay, work on some videos. Nice little area to sit and read. Also, there's a decent view out here. It's kind of hard to see with the lights. Let's turn it off. You got the Luxor right there. You can see MGM Grand. A lot of different casinos, hotels down there. Back to the room. Nice big bed. Lamps on both sides. You also have double closets here. About to open these, and the lights turn on when you open it. Ironing board. Hangers. There's also a safe right in there. Let's go look at the other closet. Pretty much the same with less stuff. Yeah, a little luggage rack, shelf up top. Let's go to the bathroom, one of the best parts of this room actually. You got a nice double sink here with the lights that go around it, but the lights were a little dim at the bottom. You could use a new light bulb. You got a nice tub with some artwork. You also have a shower, so it's nice you have a tub, shower separate. Also the toilet separate from the sink area. It's nice. Let's go look in there. It's kind of small, nothing special. No fan either. A lot of these hotels don't have fans in the room. Got your toiletries that they always have. Those are nice. And take another look, and we're about to leave this room. But I have many other room tours, so see my other videos. I have a whole playlist of Las Vegas room tours. Check it out.